Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth devices on your Android phone. Whether you're connecting wireless earbuds, headphones, speakers, a smartwatch, or another Bluetooth accessory, the process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, tap Bluetooth, Connected Devices, or Connections, depending on your device. Turn on Bluetooth if it's not already enabled. Now, put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. Most devices enter pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button or the dedicated Bluetooth button until the indicator light starts flashing. If you're not sure how to do this, check the instructions that came with your device. Once your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode, your Android phone will begin searching for nearby devices. When you see your Bluetooth device appear in the list of available devices, tap its name to begin pairing. If prompted, confirm the pairing request or enter the pairing code. Most Bluetooth devices use 0000 or 1234, but many connect automatically without requiring a code. Wait a few moments while your phone completes the connection. Once connected, you'll see the device listed as connected or paired. You can now use your Bluetooth device to listen to music, make calls, transfer files, or enjoy other supported features. That's all. You've successfully connected a Bluetooth device to your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.